Going on, everybody? Ryan McCrary here from the McCrary Financial School, also owner of McCrary Financial Solutions LLC and OurBlackApparel.com. The financial tip of the week is ETFs. So what are ETFs? ETFs are exchange traded funds. So ETFs are exchange traded funds. What are exchange traded funds? Exchange traded funds are a hybrid between a mutual fund and an individual security or stock. The way mutual funds trade are they trade once a day. So at the end of the stock market close at 4 p.m. Eastern time, mutual funds trade. So when you buy a mutual fund and you buy shares of a mutual fund, you won't see the share price increase or decrease until the end of the day. They only trade once a day at the end of the day. That's a mutual fund. The way a stock, an individual stock trades is it trades intraday. So if you buy a share of Apple or Facebook, you're going to see the price change throughout the day. So at 9:30, it might be this price, 10, 11, 12, 1 o'clock before the stock market closes, it might be different prices throughout the day. That is how an individual stock works. A mutual fund only trades once a day at the end of the stock market close. An ETF is a mixture, a hybrid between both. So it gets a whole bunch of stocks together like a mutual fund, but it trades intraday throughout the day. So I hope we're clear on ETFs again. The ETF is a hybrid between a mutual fund and an individual stock. Mutual fund gets a whole bunch of stocks together and it trades once a day. An individual stock trades throughout the day. So you'll see the price change throughout the day. An ETF is a hybrid between those two. So it gets a lot of stocks together like a mutual fund, but it doesn't just trade once a day. It trades intraday. The prices change throughout the day. You're welcome, Loretta. So I did write a few down if you want to take a look. I'm not recommending these ETFs. I'm just giving you some that you might want to take a look at. So one, the symbol is VOO. That is the S&P 500. So the 500 index ETF. So it tracks the S&P 500. So that's one. Another one you can look at is VTI. So it's VTI. That's a total stock market ETF. So that ETF invests in the entire stock market. So if you invest in that ETF, you're going to get the entire stock market, like the Dow, NASDAQ, S&P, all in one. It tracks the index of the entire stock market. And the other one you want to look at, the third one I wrote down, is VXUS. That's the symbol. Those are the ticker symbols. That is the total international stock ETF. So that ETF only invests in international stocks. The VTI was domestic stocks. The VXUS is international stocks. So if you want to diversify your portfolio, if you want to get some international stocks, you can look at that ETF. That's VXUS. VXUS. So like I said, I'm not recommending those ETFs. I don't know if those ETFs are good or bad, whatever. You just may want to consider taking a look at them. People may say, are ETFs good to buy? I mean, why not? You always want to diversify your portfolio. So I do hold a couple ETFs. So think about investing in ETFs just to diversify your portfolio. And I gave you some symbols to take a look at. So it's Ryan McCrary from the McCrary Financial School. If you want to enroll in the school, go to themccraryfinancialschool.com. That's themccraryfinancialschool.com. It is free to enroll, so you can go there to enroll. We can talk about ETFs, stocks, mutual funds, whatever. So the financial tip of the week is ETFs, which are exchange traded funds. They are funds in which there are a lot of stocks lumped in together, but they trade like an individual stock, so they trade throughout the day. So financial tip of the week, ETFs. For more information, enroll at themccraryfinancialschool.com. That's themccraryfinancialschool.com.